Hello, this is Take a Shop. This is the original Technics SL-1200. You turn on the power, but the platter doesn't start right away. Or it starts spinning, then suddenly stops or stutters. Have you seen this issue? The cause is the speed selector switch. More specifically, dirty or oxidized contacts. The good news is, this can be fixed with simple cleaning. Over time, a thin oxide layer builds up on the contacts. That layer blocks current and makes the motor unstable. Let's take it apart. Remove the bottom cover and also remove the insulator base. The switch is held by two small nuts. You can remove them with a small wrench or needle nose pliers. Once the nuts are off, pull the switch upward. The wires are soldered, but you do not need to remove them. This switch is held together by two rivets. If you remove these rivets, you can open the switch. Grind from the smaller side. Use a bit slightly larger than the rivet diameter. This time I used a round bit. Once removed, the cover comes off easily. Inside, you can see the contacts are oxidized and dark. Clean them with IPA. Use a cotton swab and polish the surface carefully. Then apply contact cleaner as a final step. Now reassembly. The rivets cannot be reused, so fix the cover with adhesive. larger side of the rivet can be reused as a washer. If you don't have it, prepare a small washer instead. This is important to hold the bottom cover securely when tightening the switch. Note, the internal parts are very small. If you drop them, it's easy to assemble them in the wrong orientation. That actually happened in this repair. Reassemble everything and test. When powered on, the platter now starts immediately and spins smoothly. Repair complete. However, for even better speed stability, you should also clean the other selector switch and the rotary potentiometer. I explain those in another video.
At Take a Shop, we focus on maintenance and repair of vintage Technics turntables. We also sell serviced units, repair parts, and 3D models on eBay and Etsy. Please check the description. Thanks for watching.